Waking up at the smack of dawn, alarm clock slaps you in the face to get you out of bed. Hearing a piercing alarm coming from your smartphone is an unpleasant enough way to start the day, but how about a slap in the face? The Robotics enthusiast has engineered a particularly alarming clock that repeatedly strikes her head with a rubber hand. Called the wake-up machine, it is made using a traditional alarm clock mounted to the wall with the motorized arm, and it was designed to make bed a little bit less comfortable.